So right now is a major turning point in healthcare. America is not healthy, and there is a huge hunger for innovation and figuring out a better system. And healthcare administration, health policy is a way to do that.
The healthcare system has improved a lot, but you know yourselves how much it could be better, how much it could work on behalf of everybody. But at the same time, the country's begging for leaders to speak out for what is needed, what's right.
I think that's what makes healthcare so different. You're selling something that nobody wants, right? So how can we make this a pleasant experience for people? How can we do our best in that vulnerable point of time?
I suppose, when you think of healthcare management, it could sound boring. But really, in reality, I think for those of us who discover the field, we realize the enormous potential it holds for making change.
If you don't like change, this is not the place for you. But because of that change, it drives opportunity. The opportunity not only to advance your careers, but also the opportunity to do something that's going to make a difference in society as we take care of people.
So a doctor will see a patient and work one-on-one with them, right? But a healthcare administrator sees an entire population, and they're an important part of the community. So they're in a position to improve health and improve the community like no one else.
Healthcare has a mission generally to improve the lives of patients, and I think that it really gives meaning to your work to know that what you're doing will impact and touch people's lives.
Healthcare administration is so broad. I think that there are a lot of different types of organizations. You can work in a hospital, you can work managed care, you can work in consulting. And so I just think that there are a lot of different avenues or paths that you can take.
I think it's a matter of understanding what you want to do, and I guarantee you will find something in healthcare management to match up and exceed your expectations.
Healthcare administration is not just about a bunch of bean counters. There are a wide variety of opportunities that one could have within healthcare, from IT to marketing to strategy to finance to operations.
One thing that might surprise people about this field is how much room there is for creativity. This is not just a plug and chug kind of science. This is a place where people can come in and they can really innovate.
Whether you're an entrepreneur and want to be part of a high-tech startup, whether you want to work in a hospital itself, whether you want to work in insurance or policy, some people think you need to be brilliant to be successful. You don't. Really, the most important things are values, the ability to listen, the ability to be humble, the ability to connect people.
I think that if you're, especially if you're a person who solves problems and likes to see results, I think that this is a good place for you to start or for you to be.